from national recording artist Fantasia. As my predecessor, the late Dr. Jimmy James would say, prepare to witness the apex of excellence, the most ostentatious aggregation of musicians ever assembled, the quintessence of contemporary sounds and maneuvers. We are the Summa Cum Laude bands, presenting a show designed with you in mind. Here is the famous sonic boom of the South. The boom will now play Free Yourself, Fanfare. The sonic boom will drill to Doing Me by Fantasia. Like Tasia says, we're not worried about others, we just do it the sonic boom way. And now, check out those jazzy J5 drum bangers at the 50-yard line. And now, they'll not only set the scene, they'll set this field on fire. Here's high energy, elegance, and sophistication. The lovely ladies who bring thrills to billions of eyes. The prancing J-set, dancing to It's All Good. So really quickly, we want everyone to let us see you back that lane up. Put those hands together, Assistant Band Director and Director of Percussion. Ms. Chloe Ashley Crowley, Director of the Prancing Set. Ms. Courtney Lett is the Administrative Assistant. Dr. Persephone McDaniels is the Interim Provost and Vice